Here's a practical little thing that we've been talking a lot about lately in terms of the importance of a proper closet cull and clearing out all the clutter in your makeup bag, your toiletry bag, your kitchen drawer, your everything in your home. Personal style is not limited to what you wear. It is a mindset. It's what comes out your mouth. It's your posture. It's your stance. It's your body language. It's your home. All of these things are a reflection of the woman that you are. Now, we've been talking a lot about makeup and accessories and organizing your jewelry in a way that is beautiful and accessible and inspiring. You want to get up and dress up in an environment, whether it's a small, teeny, tiny area or a big walk-in closet, that is inspiring to you and that has you going, you know what, I'm going to try something different today. Now, when it comes to jewelry, we've been talking about this a while. This is one of the things that I thought would really work well for me. These little things you get everywhere. You get them online, you get them on Amazon, you get them in stores. They're, all kinds of little organizer, storage little things. Great. And I thought, you know what, this thing is going to be great for me because I have loads of earrings, lots and lots and lots. And they just weren't in a place where I was feeling like they are organized and there's a spirit of excellence around it. Anyway, this doesn't work for me though, because the time it takes for me to take my earrings out, put it in here, both of them, is too long for me. Now, I'm not looking for a 1.7 second solution, but I'm also not looking for a 10-second solution. That's just too long. Don't underestimate how the seconds and minutes can add up. And if you're someone who says, I don't have time to dress well, or it's just an excuse. Somebody has taught you, or you've taught yourself you don't have time. It's not true. Time is a gift that's put into your hands every single morning when you wake up. It's yours to do with as you choose. Every day is Tuesday. You get to choose whether you're going to organize your dress-up area or whether you're going to say, I don't have time for that, and look like a hot mess and be on the back foot and raise kids who see mom it's a frantic position. I don't ever want to be a mom because she's always stressed out. No, you are a woman of substance, a woman of strength, and a woman of style. So get up, dress up, be a bold light on a hill, and invest in yourself. Learn the tools of what it takes to build a beautiful wardrobe on a budget, customized to your body, your personality, and your lifestyle. Style is just a skill. Now, when it comes back to these practical little things, this hasn't worked for me because I've got to take them out and put them in, and it's just too much. So what I've done, and I've shared this a lot, and if you haven't seen it, on Facebook, we have a group called Dress to Connect. You're so welcome to come on over. It's for women only. It's a private group. And we share lots of tips and tricks and challenges and free webinars and calls to action on how to get up, dress up, and be that bold light on a hill, how to have fun with fashion, how to boost your self-confidence and boost your self-esteem. And I've got lots of pictures there of the gray, beautiful, luxurious ring trays and jewelry trays that you see all over stores and little jewelry stores when you go in. And I have had an old, shabby, falling apart wooden cabinet restored into a beautiful mirrored glass cabinet for my jewelry, where everything is in the same place. It looks like I walk into a boutique every morning. It's just so inspiring. But you've got to figure out what works for you. So these things don't work for me. So my earrings, I have categorized into, like the rest of my jewelry, mostly silver, mostly gold, and then mixed and multicolor. And it's very helpful because you know where to reach for what. I have some, a few things that I call my dailies, my little hanging diamonds or my sleepers or my hoops or whatever they are. I know where to go for those. I know where to go for my big glam things and everything in between. Get organized with the little things because it's the little things that set you apart in style. It's the little things that trip you up. It's the little things that take a lot of time when you're looking for something like your bobby pins or your hair stuff or your curling iron or a certain pair of earrings. Just get organized because you don't have to be someone with great organizational or time management skills. I certainly don't have that naturally. These things are just skills. The area that's causing you frustration, whether it's your wardrobe, or whether it's your makeup, or it's just a lack of skill. That's all that it is. And so style is just a skill. Nobody is born a fashionista. Nobody. Every single person that I've studied who has become very successful or influential in style and in fashion and in beauty has been influenced by somebody when they were younger. Every single person. Nobody's born a leader. Nobody's born a musician. All of these things are taught and trained and then mastered as a craft. So this thing does not work for me. This is what I've realized. And consequently, I have found other little things that work perfectly. And this system with all of my jewelry on a beautiful display cabinet doesn't just please me aesthetically. It's organized, it's quick, and as I take these off tonight, they're going to go back in exactly the same place. And I've never actually had such a beautiful organized system for my jewelry. Just learn it. And this April 2022, and we do this on a regular basis, we are clearing and creating space for ourselves, space to rest, space to be organized, because the time that it takes for you to look for your stuff and ruffle through your bra drawer, and that time could be spent resting. That time adds up every week, every month, every year, and it could be with your family, it could be traveling, it could be with friends. I look for the seconds and the minutes. I don't look for the hours where I can have a 2-hour gap to do something. I look at the seconds and the minutes that add up every year, broken down by month, by week, by day, and that's where I find the time. And I learned those time secrets from my coach and mentor, Danny Johnson, almost a decade ago. Where I'm like, oh, hang on a second, time is in my hands. So that's what I do. I'm like, time is my gift. I'm not on the back foot. I'm not chasing time. It's in my hands. Every day is Tuesday. You can choose every day to get up, dress up, and be a bold light on a hill. Get organized with your jewelry. Get organized with your cutlery drawer. Get organized with the rest of your home and your dress up area, and make sure that it is a reflection on the outside of the woman on the inside. That is true style.